Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the JTOMEI AirPods case for the AirPods 4th generation. So I just got these new AirPods. They're the 4th generation AirPods. They're just the regular AirPods, not the AirPods Pro. And of course I need a new case for them. So I picked this one up. And I like it, of course, because it's orange. Also comes in a lot of different colors though, in case orange is not your favorite like mine. And this is what it comes with. So it comes with like a little keychain. Here's the case. It's all one piece. And it comes with this little cleaning tool to keep your AirPods clean. It's like a little fuzzy thing. Anyway, it's pretty cute. But so this is the important thing. So these AirPods, the AirPod 4, 4th generation, they have wireless charging. My other AirPods didn't. That was one of the main drivers of me getting these new ones, to be honest. Anyway, so the way they work, you put them in the case. It's all one piece. It's this nice thick silicone. It's about 2.5 millimeters. It's got a little tabby thing at the bottom so that you can charge it with the USB-C charging. Or you can just put it on here, and then you can charge it wirelessly. And it's nice because with this case you can see the little light that comes on when you're charging wirelessly, so you know it's actually charging. So it's really nice. It's nice and smooth. And I can also, if I want to, put this little carabiner keychain on it. Anyway, so it's really nice. It's the JTOMEI AirPods case. It's made for the AirPods 4th generation, and it comes in lots of different colors, including my favorite, orange. Thank you for watching.